So Kathleen, if you could back here for a second, I really want to thank you very much for what you've done. You have done a phenomenal job. Kathleen has built a beautiful business, and her husband now works in her business, and he's helping her build her business. And Kathleen, you've done such a good job, and it just keeps growing and doing better. So I want to thank you very, very much. We lost you there.
Thank you so much.
Well, you've done such a great job. I'm sure your husband must be proud of what you're doing. We keep Kathleen on
everyone is.
Pardon?
Yeah, everyone is so proud. My parents, my husband, my two little girls. They're living a different kind of life, and they're super proud. And I think that was part of the driving force for me, was just to feel proud of what I'm doing, but be proud of the difference that I'm making in others' lives. So I'm so grateful to you, Bob. You have changed my whole life, and I'll be forever. I always say anything Bob wants, I'll do it, because I am so grateful for you.
Well, really, I didn't change your life at all. I gave you the information. You changed your life. When you said I didn't just take it in my conscious mind, I internalized it, and that's really what you have to do.